Welcome to Exam Sales Syllabus Overview for the Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Marketing exam. This certification is designed to validate your skills in setting up and managing Dynamics 365 for marketing purposes. In this video, we will break down the exam syllabus into its various domains, and provide an overview of what you can expect to learn in each section. The Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Marketing exam is divided into 8 domains, each weighted to reflect its relative importance. The domains are: Manage Customer Journeys, which accounts for 25% of the exam; Configure and Analyze Customer Insights; Data, which accounts for 15%; Manage Segments and Lists, which accounts for 12%; Create and Manage Marketing Emails, which accounts for 12%; Manage Events and Webinars, which accounts for 10%; Configure Marketing Applications, which accounts for 10%; Create and Manage Marketing Forms and Pages, which accounts for 8%, and Manage Leads, Contacts, and Accounts, which also accounts for 8%. In the first domain, Manage Customer Journeys, you will learn how to implement complex orchestration logic, branching, and automated interactions across channels. This domain will take up 25% of the exam and will cover topics such as orchestrating real-time and outbound journeys. You will learn how to create and configure real-time journeys, manage journey triggers and event-based starts, implement branching logic and conditional tiles, configure wait and scheduler tiles, set journey goals and exit criteria, manage journey publication states, and monitor journey insights and interactions. This domain is expected to take around 12 hours to learn and will be assessed through scenario-based questions. The second domain, Configure and Analyze Customer Insights, Data, will take up 15% of the exam. You will learn how to configure data unification and leverage profile data within the journey's environment. This domain will cover topics such as data unification and profile management. You will learn how to ingest data from diverse sources, configure map, match, and merge rules, define customer profiles and identities, create and manage measures, build segments within customer insights, data, and export data to Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Journeys. This domain is expected to take around 10 hours to learn and will be assessed through hands-on and conceptual questions. In the third domain, Manage Segments and Lists, you will learn how to create targeted audiences using dynamic logic, static members, and subscription management. This domain will take up 12% of the exam and will cover topics such as audience segmentation and targeting. You will learn how to build dynamic segments using query designers, create static segments for fixed lists, configure union, exclude, and intersect logic, manage subscription lists and centers, implement suppression segments for journeys, and analyze segment membership and health. This domain is expected to take around 6 hours to learn and will be assessed through scenario-based questions. The fourth domain, Create and Manage Marketing Emails, will take up 12% of the exam. You will learn how to design responsive, personalized email content and optimize delivery through testing. This domain will cover topics such as email design and content personalization. You will learn how to design content using the drag and drop editor, add dynamic content and personalization tags, configure A/B testing for email elements, apply brand profiles and sender settings, verify email accessibility and spam scores, and manage email templates and reusable content. This domain is expected to take around 6 hours to learn and will be assessed through scenario-based questions. In the fifth domain, Manage Events and Webinars, you will learn how to oversee the full life cycle of physical and virtual events including registration and sessions. This domain will take up 10% of the exam and will cover topics such as event planning and execution. You will learn how to create and configure event records, manage sessions, tracks, and speakers, set up event registration forms, configure Microsoft Teams webinar integration, manage event venues and room logistics, and track event check-ins and attendance. This domain is expected to take around 5 hours to learn and will be assessed through scenario-based questions. The sixth domain, Configure Marketing Applications, will take up 10% of the exam. You will learn how to perform administrative setup, organizational settings, and integration with external platforms. This domain will cover topics such as system administration and integration. You will learn how to manage organizational and default settings, configure domain authentication, Set up SMS and push notification providers. Configure LinkedIn lead gen integration. Manage quotas and resource usage. And configure AI features and Copilot settings. This domain is expected to take around 7 hours to learn and will be assessed through conceptual and scenario-based questions. The 7th domain, create and manage marketing forms and pages, will take up 8% of the exam. You will learn how to build web-based lead capture tools and landing pages to drive conversions. This domain will cover topics such as web capture and landing pages. You will learn how to create marketing forms and fields, design and publish marketing landing pages, implement form matching and update rules, embed forms on external websites, manage page and form templates, and analyze form submission performance. This domain is expected to take around 5 hours to learn and will be assessed through hands-on and conceptual questions. In the 8th and final domain, manage leads, contacts, and accounts, you will learn how to nurture leads through automated scoring and manage relationships at the account level. This domain will take up 8% of the exam and will cover topics such as lead nurturing and account-based marketing. You will learn how to configure automated lead scoring models, manage lead life cycle and stages, implement account-based marketing strategies, synchronize lead data with sales apps, track interactions for contacts and accounts, and configure sales readiness thresholds. This domain is expected to take around 4 hours to learn and will be assessed through conceptual and scenario-based questions. With that, we have covered all 8 domains of the Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Marketing exam. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of what to expect from the exam and how to prepare for it. Good luck with your studies and we'll see you in the next video.